Now we're going to start with this machine. This is the straight machine, a straight LCD separating machine. Right, the cable one end and the plug is this end over here, right, on the right hand side. And then we need to press that. Sorry, that is the plug for the for the small little vacuum pump. And then we put the valve in. 这不需要锁，没有锁。
这已经锁，它有锁的。
Okay, it's already been locked. We just need to plug it in.
这里是打开。
And this is here is on, right? Same thing, same principle. We have this. Oh, sorry.
有这里。
在哪里？
有这。
Right, we have this thing over here. It must not go over the top and sort of in the middle will be fine. We need to check that every 每周还是每个月？如果用的经常的话。
经常的话就是每一个月检查这种。
Okay, if we check if we use them frequently, just check them every month, once every month. And here's where the oil is going in. The same vacuum pump oil that we supplied. Okay, we need to buy them locally.
打开我这里有个那个保险的。
Right, here is the
打开。
Right, jump switch.
这里这是主要那个电源，也是电源。
And here's the switch needs to be turned on.
这没插的吗
？That switch. 这个没有插电。Oh, okay, cool.
那开了吧
Sorry, the main power wasn't turned on, so we're just turning on the main power.
喂？干嘛？啊？
So they're just turning on the main power. Just wait a little bit. Right now this turned on over here. Right? Just now the main power wasn't on, so.
放到那边了，等一下等一会儿。
Okay, so we need to get those two hooks and to put these on. To put the cable on. Right. Okay.
这边温度就会亮的。
And then we need to set the temperature.
和左右的转速，它这个时间，这个调转速时间的。
这个已经调好，
这是调好。
That has already been presetted. That same as well. That same as well. It's all been presetted, right? Remember the value over here. Well, we don't need to worry too much. That needs to be in on position. And same as that temperature, that's already been done. 这个温度已经调好了是吧？it has already been done to adjusted to 75 是75度哈。75 degree, not over.
这个是控制这个。
And then we need to also turn this on when we need to put the machine. When we need to separate the LCD, we put it on there. It will. Once we turn it on, it will suck on it. We do need to put a little. We get little white laminates. 这是我们只有一张还是有多？
有两张。
Okay, we get 2 of these. We just need to make sure the hole aligns exactly with the hole over there. You see that little hole now that aligns. If it's out of alignment, any LCD or glass will not stuck on it. So we just need to make sure it's aligned completely. We put the glass on it, right? So, and then we turn this on. Once it's turned on, it will not lift up. Hold on, sorry. Oh wow, now that's tight. It won't lift up. Oh, sorry. Align the holes and put it on carefully. Now you see that here the sound difference is stuck so tight I can't even pry it off with my finger. Not easily. So when we're doing the LCD, and then at this stage we can start separating the frame. Put the isopropyl alcohol, put the IPA solutions around the corners, and slowly pry them off. You know. But with that, you can look at my video, see how I do it. I don't leave it on there all the time. I do lift it up and heat the corners and so on and so forth. You do need to follow my instructions over there. 你们再给我们看一遍这个线是怎么样弄。Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the put these 2 little cables on for the S6 screen disassembly. Right, when we do the setup. Now we're just taking out. They do break, so don't push this one too hard, too much, too fast, right? Don't push this one too fast in there. So the cable goes sort of between here, in there, and then around there, and all the way up there. So you can see that little groove. It needs to go onto that groove over there, not above, not below, but right on there. It's too hot. I don't want to touch it. So there we go. See that groove over there? That's the groove. Let's do that. So See that? We have this wire, so we're just going around for a few times, hook it up, and then go on to the groove over here, right? Move it on, and then we just turn this one on. 哎，这个是什么速度？这个是速度，等一下别动。这个是速度，这个是 high。Right, we just turn this on high.
反了哈。
反了。Okay, we just 等一下，
不要转了，转太多了。
转是怎么样？这个停住还是？
转太多了。
哦，转的 OK。This is high, this is low. This is when it stops. This is when it stops. Okay, so this is
顺时针加速，逆时针减速了。
Right. So if we go this way, which is clockwise, it will speed up, and if we go that way, it will slow down to a stop even. Right. So that's when we're using it. When we go through this side already, now we're going through the other way. Now he's trying to save some cables. I've done too many rounds, so the only way is to do it this way. Sure. We don't want to put too much on there, right? So we just put a few, maybe 5-10 revolutions on there.
接近1厘米
Close to 1 centimeter is quite nice. It's ideal. Okay, around 1 centimeter on there, and then we need to go around there and leave it there, right? Put 1 revolution through here, right? It's going down. It's going downwards. 那边是往上. Okay. That one is going up through here. Right. So, and this side is the other way. Right. We'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. And it's easily snapped. Right. Now we can start operating it. We just need to make sure we adjust this so that it's as close to the glass as possible. That little cable there snaps to the glass very tight and snudgy. That's what's important here. Okay, and then we just turn this clockwise or counterclockwise. Doesn't really matter. CCW, right? 没什么意义的。这个是CW 还是 CCW 没什么太大区别哈。就是这个。Okay, and then we do this.
自动。
And then we do counterclockwise, and then.
那线就转好了。
All right, and then the cable will just. This side will get unwind. This side will get wind up. So about 5 mil on both sides. That width is around 5 mil on both sides. That will be easier. So and then now we start doing the screen. 现在我们怎么样？是就这样。它怎么样让它开始转？这里
可以让它打开，就刚才你旋钮那个地方。
旋钮这个打开，它就会这样子。
你打开啊，打开。
OK， 旋钮打开。Now we turn this slowly on. Here's the high. If we want to do it really fast, here's the slow. As I turn to slow, that will see that. Go there. See that? It's really slow. If we go high, it's like really fast. We can't really see it. So this is a good servo motor on there. Nice. Okay, so that cable goes around. If it breaks, we just need to redo the cable again. So we don't want to push this one too hard, right? Just push it slowly, but not that hard. We'll get an ideal. You'll figure out ideal speed when you do the pushing. So with it, 如果屏幕越碎的话，是不是可以推得快一点？
不是屏幕越碎，屏幕碎的话，这个杆子要调起来。
OK， 要向上调，就是越靠近上面越好，还是靠近下面越好？
就是说，越靠上面越好。就是说，你进去的话要最低的，你要进去的位置。
进去位置一定要越靠底下。然后进去以后就要向上。
向上调起来。
进去一点，然后就这里同时向上调。Okay, so if the screen is fully shuttered, right? When we're going in, we need to make sure the cable is as close to this panel as possible. As soon as we go in, we lift it up a little bit so that we don't sort of jiggle the glass, press the glass, and it depressing the, what do you call that, that polarizer film on the LCD. We don't want to do that, right? We can replace the polarizer film, but that's not something we want to do at this stage. Great, thank you.